So it's going to be actually break up into 4 parts. So one is the building the foundation. This is more like a recap to you. If you have went through our program, which all of you did, you should remember all this mortgage loan calculator, interest rate sensitivity, golden window, affordability, loan table. So of course, it would be great if you can, if you actually forgot anything, so this will be like a good recap. Okay, now, what are the sort of like a revamp part? Okay, it's not really totally new, okay, but we sort of change it to become more focused. In session 2, we talk about where are the growth properties. How do we actually spot growth properties, and basically share with you all the tools that we have, okay, to spotting growth properties, which is actually basically, you know, the master plan analysis, the potential future price calculation, and the case studies of growth properties. So this is we actually have done certain part of it in our previous course, but we actually just want to make it very more focused on, you know, the growth properties itself. Okay, session 3 will be undervalued properties. Again, same thing. Yes, we probably has done certain part of our previous course. Just want to make it more focused, targeted undervalued properties. So basically, you know, we go through things like comparing transactions, affordability analysis, bank valuation, mortgage sales, and land cost analysis. So these 2 parts, this is where we will actually mention the actual properties. Not only we share with you the tools to spot them up, we also talk about the actual properties. Okay, so for those who are actually interested, you know, to know what are the growth properties and undervalued properties at this point in time, okay, this is something maybe you just want to sit in for a recap. Okay, just in case you're wondering what's the difference between growth and undervalued. So growth properties we define as, okay, currently today maybe is the price is not excessively cheap. Okay, so probably we see this properly, the price is probably about the same as the rest of the prices in the area, but we believe that this property can actually experience capital gain potential. And why we believe so, that is what we're actually going to explain in the course itself. So when we talk about undervalued properties, we're talking about these current properties based on the current price is actually cheaper than the peers, you know, based on district, or either that, you know, based on equivalent property. So that's how we define growth and undervalued properties. So, you know, if you like to come for a recap, so this is what we're going to cover through. Okay, this is probably something new. We're actually going to talk about property strategies. So basically, you know, as per what we say here, so basically, property is no longer just buy low, sell high. There are various investment strategy you can apply to either reduce stress, enhance performance, or scale up to achieve bigger objective. Like for example, buy without stress, rental play, passive income, okay, multiple property ownership, how do you actually plan for it, and margin on REITs. Okay, so these are some of the new things we're probably going to cover in the course today. And so same thing, you know, once you attend the course, if you actually want to have like a personalized consulting session, John and Ken will be so happy to meet up with you to actually customize all this information, okay, to serve your needs. So of course, real estate gathering, they're already part of the gathering.